What's up guys, Paul Greenberg from the Paul Greenberg Group with the agency here in Toronto, and I'm super excited to show you our brand new listing. We're in Baby Point, Babby Point, however you want to call it. It's a custom detached home, 4 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom down, 3.5 baths with some of the highest end finishes you could ever want in a home. This backyard, it's amazing. Simon's going to tell you all about it.
This space is awesome for entertaining. We got a covered patio, hot tub, maintenance-free yard with the turf and the stone, and out back we have an awesome garage, rec space. It's got roughed-in plumbing. Who knows what you can do with it?
This house is breathtaking. It's cool, it's awesome, but don't take our word for it. Take a look around. Let us know what you think, and we'll be talking soon.